Hello, it's great to have you back again for another product highlight. We know you've had a busy tax season. We have too. We've got lots of exciting new features to share with you today. Let's take a look. We're incredibly excited to announce the release of Tax Prep. Canopy's Tax Prep streamlines tax preparation, accelerates turnaround times, and simplifies the client review process. Speed through returns with perfectly organized categories for intuitive data entry. Easily review work and check diagnostics. Make client review and sign-off completely seamless. Share your returns through your portal, gather e-signatures for state and federal forms, and automate payments and refunds. With this addition to Canopy's cloud-based suite, you'll have everything you need to run your practice more efficiently. Tax Prep is now available for everyone to try. File the 2018 Federal 1040 and 24 state equivalents for free. We launched a brand new mobile app so you can take your practice wherever you go. You'll have access to contacts so you can get up to speed on relationships, record notes, and connect with clients. You can also access your entire file system to review work, share files, or quickly respond to requests from clients or the IRS. On top of that, the app is secured with PIN, Touch, and Face ID, along with two-factor authentication and encryption for your peace of mind. Download it now on Android or iOS. We enhanced workflow to make it easier to collaborate on complex projects. Each service can now be tracked in a dedicated workspace with access to your tasks, files, and tools in one place. You can link existing files or upload new files, and they'll automatically connect with your client's contact record. In the next few releases, watch for automated tools to send e-sign requests, general requests, and engagement letters to your clients. We'll also be adding notes, transcripts, and more. Our CRM and client management system is now even more customizable. With custom fields, you can create your own text and date fields to track details unique to your firm and better organize client information. Within settings, you can easily create different types of fields, including text input, drop-down, or date. The information then appears in the About section on the client record. As you can see, things have been pretty busy at Canopy this past tax season. We love making your work easier, and we're excited to see what you do with these updates. Be sure to tune in next month to see the latest additions.